Today I want to show you the Rails support in Langur, and in order to do so I've picked a web application for the rubygems.org website. And let's see what happens if we go to the main translation screen for Langur. We have our source language, we have our target language. We see a list of strings on the left. At the bottom we see the statistics for the project. We've loaded up 151 strings in total. I've done a couple of translations already. We've got 128 left. The string list is the string list that represents all the strings on the very page we're looking at. And it's very interesting to see what happens if we switch screens. In order to do that, I'll tick the box to only show untranslated strings and switch to a page with less strings. And you can see the list of strings update and reflect the very page we're looking at. It's a nice opportunity to start translating. Whenever you pick a string, it will try and flash the string in the page to indicate where the actual translation is. And if we press enter on the translation, it will replace the string with the translation in the page in order to preview, and when we press enter again it will save it to the database. Let's do one more. You can see the preview and the save to the database. Switch back to the main page in order to show you a couple of other options, with other features. The first one is the support for placeholder. There's no need to confront your translators with the variable notation for your framework, and Google will just take the parameters in context and show you actual values instead of a notation. Another thing is that whenever you want to translate strings in a list or strings that you want to keep together, you can use the area tool and actually select an area on your screen, and it will reduce the string list on the left to only the strings on that area of the page. You can search strings. For example, if you want to search for sign in, sign up strings, you can quickly type, and you can also go to a global search screen for all the strings that are left when you have gone through your application page by page.